Hello everyone, welcome to Pagify. Today we will see how we can use Pagify components on Framer platform, and also we will design a full landing page there. So this is pagify.com. Let's go to the component section, and you can see that we have a ton of dev ready components to make your workflow easier. Now we have to clone the style guide. You can still use each of our component without using the style guide, but the style guide will help you to keep it aligned, organized and responsive. So let's click here, choose one of our component library, click Framer, and the Framer platform is opening. Click copy, and a Framer project with our style guide attached opens successfully. So you can see that we have three responsive breakpoint here, one for desktop, another one for tablet, and the third one is for phone. So now you can design your website and develop using Pagify here. Let's remove this text, go back to the Pagify, select the library, choose a section, click on copy Framer, and the component is copied to the clipboard successfully. Let's go back to the file, click on desktop, paste it. Now you have to do a little bit of modification to keep it aligned. Click on the desktop, go to the sidebar, on the height turn it into fit content, then click on the first component you pasted. On the size section, change the width into fill, and it's done. You can also use our Pagify components inside the Framer using our plugin. For that, let's go back to the pagify.com, click on the product, select Framer Plugin, and the Framer marketplace with our plugin opened. Click on the open plugin, choose the file, and the Pagify plugin inside Framer opened. Let's connect it, and account successfully linked. Now we can easily use our Pagify components inside the Framer using this plugin. Let's choose library, select category and add it, and it's added to the file. So now we have to add this on the layer. So let's drag it to the desktop, and it's added to the layer, to the breakpoint. Let's fix the width, and it's done. Now we will design a full landing page here, and whenever you need the Pagify plugin, just click here and launch it directly from here. Now we will complete the design. And you can see that we have designed the full landing page here. Let's preview it. So now you can just edit it, align it with your brand and publish it to the platform. Thank you everyone. Let's get back to you on the next video.